Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to transfer funds between Twoguysfinance accounts. Alright, it's gonna be a quick video. We're not gonna waste any time at all. Just gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're gonna do is to log into your Twoguysfinance accounts. You can log in online on the website, or you can log in on the mobile app. Now once you're logged in, you're going to select the account that you want to transfer funds from, and then you're going to select the account that now you want to transfer the funds to. That's the recipient. And next you're going to need to enter the transfer amount and confirm the amount. And then once that's done, you want to review the transfer details just to make sure that the account you're sending to as well as the amounts are both correct, and if they are, just go ahead and confirm. And once that's done, you're going to receive a confirmation of the transfer, and you can verify the transfer in your account. So you're using your account balance, of course, to verify that the transfer was successful. And if you need to, you can set up recurring transfers, and that's going to help you to take care of making transfers without any hassle. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up transfer funds between Twoguysfinance accounts. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.